Welcome. This section of your course is about your communications toolbox. You will build a set of tools like wrenches and screwdrivers only for communications. The reason your toolbox matters is that it will help you no matter what your communication challenge is. The tools include message structure tools, media selection tools, and delivery tools to get the right message the right way to your audience, to your recipient. At the bottom of this section, you'll find an exercise that combines what you've learned in all of the lessons. It's a very powerful exercise. It's time for you to begin the lessons. Let's get started.